Hi foodies, let's make burger for Eggieterian. Add olive oil in a pan. Place a boiled egg. Smash an egg with smasher. Sunday hoya Monday rose call ande. Sprinkle some salt and pepper. Leave it for half a minute. For extra flavor, sprinkle some oregano. Let's make boom boom sauce. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. Sriracha 1 teaspoon. Tomato ketchup 1 teaspoon. Mustard half teaspoon. Mix it well. For extra punch, add some oregano or mixed herbs. Slice a burger bun into half. Apply some boom boom sauce. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe. Please like and share. Place a cheese slice. Add some chopped lettuce leaves. Place its smashed egg on top. Apply some boom boom sauce on another half bun slice. Place it on top. Wow, supreme Eggielicious Burger is ready. Do try this Eggielicious Burger at home. Thank you for joining me today.